Mangoes are a beloved fruit worldwide. They are known for their sweet taste and vibrant color. But did you know that mangoes are also highly nutritious? They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for human health. To thrive and bear fruit, mango trees need a variety of nutrients absorbed from the soil. However, soil quality can vary greatly. This is where fertilizers play a crucial role. Fertilizers provide essential nutrients to the soil, supporting healthy mango tree growth and fruit production. Just like humans need a balanced diet, mango trees require a balanced nutrient supply. This balance is essential for optimal growth and fruit production. Without proper nutrition, mango trees may become weak and susceptible to diseases. Their fruit yield and quality may also be affected. Therefore, understanding the role of fertilizers in mango cultivation is paramount. By providing the right nutrients at the right time, we can ensure healthy mango trees and bountiful harvests. This knowledge is essential for both small-scale farmers and large-scale mango producers. Fertilizers are like food supplements for our mango trees. They replenish the soil with essential nutrients, vital for the growth and development of the trees. Different types of fertilizers are available, each with its own set of characteristics and benefits. Broadly speaking, fertilizers can be classified into three main categories: organic, inorganic, and biofertilizers. Organic fertilizers are derived from natural sources like manure, compost, and bone meal. They release nutrients slowly, improving soil structure over time. Inorganic fertilizers, on the other hand, are synthetically produced. They provide a quick and concentrated dose of nutrients to the trees. Biofertilizers are a fascinating group. They contain living microorganisms that enhance nutrient uptake. These microorganisms work in harmony with the plant roots, helping convert complex nutrients into simpler forms that the trees can easily absorb. Each type of fertilizer has its own advantages and disadvantages. The choice of fertilizer depends on various factors including soil type, climate, and the specific needs of the mango variety being cultivated. Organic fertilizers, as their name suggests, are derived from natural sources. They are a cornerstone of sustainable agriculture. These fertilizers are made from decomposed plant or animal matter. Examples include compost, manure, and bone meal. They are rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. One of the key benefits of organic fertilizers is their slow and steady release of nutrients. This slow release mimics natural processes and ensures that the mango trees receive a consistent supply of nutrients over an extended period. Unlike inorganic fertilizers, which can sometimes cause nutrient imbalances, organic fertilizers promote a more balanced nutrient uptake. Furthermore, organic fertilizers improve soil structure. They enhance the soil's ability to retain water and nutrients, which is crucial, especially in regions prone to drought. A well-structured soil also provides a healthy environment for beneficial soil microorganisms, which play a vital role in nutrient cycling. Organic fertilizers are environmentally friendly. They decompose naturally, reducing the risk of chemical runoff into water bodies. This makes them a sustainable choice for mango production. By choosing organic fertilizers, farmers contribute to a healthier ecosystem. Inorganic fertilizers are manufactured industrially. They offer a concentrated source of nutrients for mango trees. These fertilizers provide specific nutrients in precise ratios. This allows farmers to tailor their fertilization programs. One advantage is their quick action. They dissolve rapidly, making nutrients immediately available. This is beneficial during critical growth stages. Applying them during flowering boosts yield and quality. Inorganic fertilizers come in granules, powders, and liquids. They can be applied by broadcasting, fertigation, or foliar spraying. Farmers choose methods based on orchard size. Use them judiciously to avoid nutrient imbalances. Excessive use can lead to environmental pollution. Follow recommended rates to minimize risks. Biofertilizers enhance plant nutrition using beneficial microorganisms. They improve nutrient availability and uptake in mango trees. Bacteria and fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots. These microorganisms convert complex nutrients into simpler forms. They fix atmospheric nitrogen, making it usable for plants. Biofertilizers also enhance phosphorus availability. This promotes vigorous growth and fruit production. They improve soil health and sustainability. The use of fertilizers, whether organic, inorganic, or bio-fertilizers, has a profound impact on mango yield and quality. By providing essential nutrients, fertilizers support the overall health and productivity of mango trees, leading to higher fruit yields and improved fruit quality. Mango trees that receive adequate nutrition produce a greater number of flowers, which translates to a higher potential for fruit set. Fertilizers also promote the development of larger and heavier fruits, contributing to increased yield. The size and weight of mangoes are important factors in determining their market value. Furthermore, fertilizers play a crucial role in enhancing the quality attributes of mangoes. For instance, potassium, an essential nutrient supplied by fertilizers, improves fruit color, flavor, and shelf life. Mangoes that receive sufficient potassium develop a more vibrant and appealing color, making them more attractive to consumers. The sugar content and sweetness of mangoes are also influenced by fertilizer application. Nitrogen, another vital nutrient, promotes vegetative growth and chlorophyll production, which are essential for photosynthesis. Adequate nitrogen supply ensures that mango trees can produce enough sugars to sweeten the fruits. Mango cultivation is practiced in various regions around the world, each with its own set of environmental conditions and farming practices. Let's explore some case studies that highlight different fertilizer practices employed in mango orchards globally. In India, the world's largest producer of mangoes, farmers often use a combination of organic and inorganic fertilizers. They apply farmyard manure, compost, and neem cake as organic sources of nutrients. Inorganic fertilizers, such as urea, diammonium phosphate, and muriate of potash, are also commonly used to supplement nutrient requirements. In Brazil, another major mango producer, farmers have been increasingly adopting integrated nutrient management practices. These practices involve combining organic fertilizers, such as poultry manure and green manure crops, with inorganic fertilizers. This approach aims to optimize nutrient use efficiency and minimize environmental impacts. In Australia, mango orchards often implement fertigation systems, where fertilizers are dissolved in irrigation water and delivered directly to the root zone of the trees. This method allows for precise nutrient application and reduces nutrient losses through leaching or volatilization. While fertilizers are essential for enhancing mango production, it is crucial to acknowledge and address the potential environmental impacts associated with their use. Excessive or improper fertilizer application can have detrimental effects on soil health, water quality, and air quality. One of the primary concerns is nutrient runoff. When fertilizers are applied in excess or at inappropriate times, they can leach into nearby water bodies through irrigation or rainfall. This nutrient pollution can lead to eutrophication, a process where excess nutrients in water bodies stimulate excessive algal growth. Algal blooms can deplete oxygen levels in the water, harming fish and other aquatic life. Furthermore, the production of synthetic fertilizers is an energy-intensive process that contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. The manufacturing, transportation, and application of these fertilizers release significant amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, exacerbating climate change. Another environmental concern is the potential for soil acidification. The overuse of nitrogen-based fertilizers can lower soil pH, making it more acidic. Soil acidification can negatively impact soil health by reducing nutrient availability and harming beneficial soil microorganisms. Sustainable mango farming balances productivity with environmental responsibility. Integrated nutrient management combines organic, inorganic, and biofertilizers to optimize nutrient use. Soil testing informs precise fertilizer application, avoiding over-fertilization. Cover cropping with legumes prevents erosion and fixes nitrogen, reducing synthetic fertilizer use. As we have explored, fertilizers play a pivotal role in mango production, influencing both the yield and quality of this beloved fruit. From traditional organic fertilizers to modern synthetic formulations and the fascinating world of biofertilizers, a wide range of options is available to nourish mango orchards and meet the nutritional needs of these magnificent trees. However, it is imperative to remember that the use of fertilizers should be approached with a sense of responsibility and a commitment to sustainability. Excessive or improper fertilizer application can have detrimental effects on the environment, jeopardizing the very ecosystems that support mango cultivation. By embracing sustainable farming practices, such as integrated nutrient management, soil testing, and cover cropping, we can strike a balance between productivity and environmental stewardship. Let us strive to cultivate mango orchards that are not only abundant in yield, but also harmonious with nature, ensuring a responsible and fruitful future for generations to come.